Using Amazon Associates site Stripe is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, open any browser in your system and search Amazon. Go to the website with this link, amazon.com. This is the Amazon Associates site Stripe. This appears when you create Amazon Associates account. Amazon Associates is basically Amazon affiliate program in which you earn commission when anyone purchases any product through your link. Tools, site Stripe. This is the site Stripe. Now back on amazon.com. If you want to sell a product, search here. I am searching laptop. Click on the laptop that you want to sell. You can see three options on site Stripe under Get Link: text, image, and text plus image. Click on text and copy the link. This is the link of this laptop, and you will get commission when someone purchases through this link within 24 hours after clicking link. There are two links, short link and full link. I will recommend to use this short link. Next, image. This is HTML code to paste on your website, and the image will show on your website. Third one is text plus image. This is also HTML code to paste on your website to show both text and image. I use text. Copy this text link and promote on YouTube or on any other social media platform. This page will open when someone click on the link. This is how to use Amazon Associates site Stripe.